What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com with another product introduction and review, and that's going to be the Down for Sound Studio One Pros. But first, alright guys, let's get into this video. We've had a lot of people ask for different styles of headphones since we came out with our initial bass buds. We had the green wired pair, we had the wireless pair in a few different colors, and people started asking us if we were going to do actual wireless. I mean, the other ones weren't, they were technically wireless to the to your device, but they had a wire connecting from one ear to the other. It went around behind your neck. So people were asking if we were ever going to come out with like actual wireless, no wire coming from the earbuds. So we did that. We have two of those, and a lot of people are asking for over-the-ear headphones. People don't like, some people just don't like something's being stuck in their ear hole, so they wanted over the ears. So we listened to you, and we've been working on these for close to a year as well. We've done a bunch of changes on these, and what we came up with is what you see in front of us, the Studio Pro, or the Studio One Pros. It's going to be over the ear noise canceling. It has active noise canceling headphone. I'm super excited about these, and for the price, I don't think you're going to beat them anywhere. So 139 bucks, and you're going to grab some of these. So let's go ahead and unbox these Studio Ones, and you'll see what you get. There's an owner's manual right here, so if you end up purchasing some, you just scan that and you get your owner's manual. It comes in a nice package that you can keep the headphones in when you're not using them, to keep them protected. Very nice. I love the way that the cover came out. It's got the embossed Down for Sound logo on there, feeling real nice. You open them up and you see the Down for Sound Studio One Pros in there hanging out, waiting for you to experience the sound of these bad boys. Over here there's a little pocket that comes with your accessories. You got your charge cable right here, and you also have your aux cord, so if you want to actually plug these into your laptop or whatever you can plug these into, it comes with that as well. So let's go over some of the features that are on the back of the box right here. Hybrid ANC, that's active noise canceling, up to 45 hours of playtime. So this is going to depend, when we say this, it's going to be at easy listening levels. Obviously, if you have them maxed out all the time, it's just like a system in your vehicle. If you have it maxed out, you're going to get a lot less playtime out of it, so take that into account. On ear detection, so it knows when you put it on your ears. A multi-point connection, just like I just talked about. You can do Bluetooth, or you can do the aux cord. Touch control, so you can touch the headset right. So on the bottom of this one, I don't know if you'll be able to see it here. Let's flip these around. So right there, touch control. And coming over here, exceptional sound quality. A lot of people ask, how loud is something? How loud can it get? Is it the loudest thing out there? I'll go ahead and tell you, they are not the loudest headphones out there, but when you're trying to achieve awesome sound quality at a respectable level, these are going to be at the top of the list for, I believe, anybody, because we didn't want to get so loud. Like, I've heard some that get loud, but they sound like garbage. And realistically, how loud do you really need your headphones these are encasing your ears? How loud do you need your headphones to be? You can easily hear what's going on inside of there. So anyway, they're going to get decently loud, but they're going to sound amazing doing it. Next, built-in mic with ENC. So you'll be able to talk on there if you want to. Again, 3.5 inch, no, sorry, 3.5 inch, 3.5 aux cable included. Calls, Siri, Google, voice assistant support. So you can do all of that through these headphones. These things came out super nice. Again, you have your, so this is going to be your charge port right here on this one, which is your left charge port, and on your right you have your different buttons here and your 3.5 millimeter jack if you want to plug them in to your laptop or whatever. But obviously, to put these on, you want to put your R on your right ear, adjust it out to where it fits your head the way that you want it to. Just putting them on makes it sound so quiet outside. If you wanted to just block out some noise, you could just put them on without them even being on. But obviously, once you turn them on, pair them to your phone and turn on active noise canceling, it gets so quiet, it's almost eerie. I had to get used to it the other day when and I don't really recommend walking. Like, I was doing some exercising, I was just walking, and it was cool at first, but then I'm like, I can't even hear if a vehicle's coming or anything, so I need to turn that off. But you can turn the feature on and off, so that makes it where you can like select whatever you want to. Anyway, it has the adjustable headband, so it'll fit any size mug. Well, let's say most mugs out there. You got nice leather right here with the embossed Down for Sound logo. We went with the gunmetal finish. It's really good for almost anybody, I would say. Then on the top right here, you got the Down for Sound logo and this leather padded headband up here. You can see the padding up under there, but the Down for Sound logo embedded in that leather on there, making it these. I mean, again, I may be biased, but they feel like quality. They feel so nice, and they sound even better. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life for Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.